AI or ML, artificial intelligence or machine learning. Many people think both are same, but that is not the truth. These are two different terms, but they are related terms. In this context, I have to give you a alert, very useful alert. Whenever you are using technical terms without knowing their meaning, don't use them. If you use them wrongly and all that, your value is diluted in the view of others. That point always you remember. If you do not know, keep quiet. Don't use them. In this context, one very good tip I give you. This will be helpful for your career a lot. Actually, whenever you come across a technical term for the first time and all that, without knowing its complete meaning, don't register in your brain. For just a simple example I give you. Everybody uses digital. 99% people use word digital. But according to me, 99.9% people do not know its meaning, correct meaning. So that is the case. But you should not be in that category. That's why whenever you come across a technical term for the first time, you understand it's a clear meaning. If possible, from a real life angle, then reach in your brain. Then always you can enrich your mental library. And this concept, as far as the two terms are concerned, just within 10 minutes I explain from real life angle and not just understanding and all. You must be in a position to explain to others every time. Every time I'm repeating this until unless you don't speak out, world cannot recognize you. Mainly industry does not recognize you. That point you have to understand and proceed. Before explaining this concept, I must explain two terms in the machine learning. First one is mission. What do you think of mission? A common man, a layman, thinks mission means a washing machine or a factory machine or some other machine. That is not true. In this context, a mission means computer. Whenever you use mission in this context, you mentally replace with the computer. Second one is machine learning. This is also misleading. Actually, machine learning means you may think that we are learning about missions or mission components or mission process. That is not true. Here, machine learning means making a computer to learn from data, making mission to learn from data. That you have to understand. Actually, little more explanation I give. How humans can learn? Humans can learn by hearing, by watching, by reading, by processing, by experience. All that people will learn. Actually, here in the same manner, we are making the missions, making the computers to learn from pattern. Actually, other ways are there. The main one is pattern. Actually, about pattern, I have to give some example. After a few minutes, I give you that example. That also, I'm telling you, already told you. Whatever new term you learn, you must own it. For that, the best way is don't think technically. From a real life angle, if you understand, you not only owning the concept, you will be in a position to explain to others. In our knowledge acquisition process, there are two phases. First one is learning, second one is problem solving. Actually, the machine learning, the job of machine learning is ML, enables computers to learn from data. And as far as artificial intelligence, A, enables computers use the learned data for problem solving and decision making. Just clearly you have to understand. However, I give you a few more examples and all, but you must own the concept. And finally, what you have to understand, humans learn from experience and computers learn from data. Now, I give you one more real life example to understand the relation between ML and AI. Actually, you say that some student is very intelligent. How can you say what is the proof? In order to prove that, he had to learn a subject. Let us say maths. He had to learn mathematical rules. Thereafter, he had to apply all those rules in problem solving. Then what he acquires? He acquires knowledge and skills. That is learning process. And because of machine learning, it happens. Computers can learn. Thereafter, how can you prove AI? AI intelligence is formed. Then, if he writes the exam in maths and secures maximum marks, that is the proof of intelligence. That is AI. That you have to understand. So, AI represents intelligence. Without learning process, AI is like a sharp knife, nothing to cut. That point you have to understand. So AI is like intelligence. Machine learning is a learning process. Now I give an example for machine learning. Means make computers to learn. Computers learn by human behavior. With email filter example, I give you that. Actually, we review tens of mails and all that. We can categorize them in three ways. Some mails we want to permanently keep for our record. Some mails, as soon as we see without opening, we delete it. Some mails, after their purpose is over, we delete them. So, understand three categories. Then, your computer learns by your behavior and all that. Actually, certain mails you want to keep permanently, it never touches it. Other mails and all that, after purpose is served, then you delete it. That also it observes, but it does not delete. Third category is there, yeah, that promotional mails, etc., and all that. Then, as soon as we see, immediately we delete that. So, your computer learns your behavior and it creates a spam filter. It identifies which mails, in your view, certain mails are spam mails, but somebody's view is different. So, in your view, which mails are spam and all that, it identifies by your behavior and immediately it sent to the spam. By that, you can understand how computers can learn by your behavior. Now I explain how AI gets intelligence. AI gets intelligence from four ways. The first one rules, second one logic, third one reasoning, fourth one learning. Lesson means machine learning. Machine learning is one of the ways. By that, what you can grasp, all ML is AI, but all AI is not ML. AI gets its intelligence in four ways. One of the ways is ML. That point you have to understand. Thereafter, what are there? Rules, logic, and reasoning. For rules, also one example I give you. Actually, chess. Chess game is having hundreds of rules and all that. Any player should know all those rules. Subject to the rules, he has to play his game in his favor. Then only gets result. But as a human, remembering all rules, behave accordingly, smartly is difficult. But AI has no such limitation and all that. Using AI, if you play the chess game, then you will be the guarantee winner. That is the power of AI. Finally, I explain about the term patterns briefly. Already I told you, computers in machine learning, computers learn from pattern. What is a pattern? Just for our discussion sake, for the sake of simplicity, you can understand as a behavioral pattern. Actually, one example I give you. You listen a sound of a bird. Actually, simply listening the sound of a bird, you can identify which bird it is. It may be a sparrow, it may be a crow, it may be a parrot, or it may be a pigeon. How could you know that? Because of the behavioral pattern. Because every bird makes a distinct sound. That is pattern. One more example also. A teacher can identify a paper of a student. Is the Krishna's paper, it is Mohan's paper, it is Kumar's paper. How? By the writing pattern. In every writing, there is a style, spacing, etc. and all that. By that, the teacher can identify that without referring the name of the whose paper it is and all that. That is pattern. In this manner, you have to understand. One more technical thing I give you. Mobile phone unlocking. Mobile phone unlocking, there are three ways. One is pin, second one is finger, third one is face. Actually, by repetitive behavior of that and all that, machine can understand that whenever the pin is matched and all that, it is unlocked. Pin, fingerprint, or face is matched and all that, it unlocks that. That is a pattern. Always again I am telling you, for the first time, if you are learning about technical terms, and always use examples. If you use example, your job is easy. You can easily explain and you can impress others. That point you have to understand. And in your examination also, if you write examples and all that, you get better marks because nobody writes. Then if you write that in speaking or in writing, if you use examples and all that, you can prove yourself.